Hello, I am doing this video because I know a lot of you people are having trouble on this stage. So I'll have a tutorial. Just follow what I do and you should be fine. So right now, this is ITF Chapter 3 Alaska. ITF Chapter 3. Last chapter, and this is Alaska. Right now, you just want to save up. So right now, you just have to like wait until these angels. The angels are the ones that cause the main problem for the people in these stages. Right now, you just want to like slowly save up money. Just slowly, you're gonna get money by killing these enemies. Or you know what? You have a bunch of money. You're getting close to max wallet cash. So right now, just want to save. Just want to save. Okay, no. So many things are gonna come up. Put Bahamut. Should have Bahamut. Okay, right now you're gonna have to rush. So put your anti-angel Uber. In this case, I'm using Kalisa Type X in your Holy Vault Cat. And just spam the meat shields. Oh my god, wait, I'm in the middle of a video, wait. I'm in the middle of a video. Go away for 1 sec. That's not me. I can give you that. He was throwing fits of rage. Dylan! A few days ago. Yeah, they patched it up. I don't know, don't ask me. Yeah. I don't know, it was in the morning, and it was a day off. I think he must have forgot or something. Hello. Okay. That wasn't me! Wait. Oh my god, I'm in the middle of something. Yeah, we're so unlucky. And that'll be it.